Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Third wave still seems to be extending. There isn't much to add in terms of wave count, but the third wave still seems to be extending. What I will talk about though are the targets for this third wave. Obviously we are in extension mode as it's completely common and not surprising in a third wave. Literally still though what we need to see for a more reliable structure is that 5-wave move up. So we talked about in previous videos that we are dealing likely with a diagonal structure that started in June. Wave 1 complete, wave 2 complete. We're likely moving up in a third wave now. It is extended now, but it's not unusually long. We've only literally broken the 200% extension level. We should then still see a wave 4 at some point and a wave 5. We have nearly reached the upper boundary line of that parallel trend channel. I would disregard this long wick to the upside. We do not see it on many exchanges. And support for wave 4, if we get a pullback in wave 4, we're dealing with support levels at 3.06 cents. That's literally the first line of support. Then the 38.2 retracement level at 2.66 cents, 2.37 cents, which is the 50% fib level, and the golden ratio at 2.117 cents. But ideally, we don't even go down to that level. Ideally, the price would stay above the 50% retracement level for a reliable diagonal. Certainly, that extension that we see right now is giving it, let's say, a better chance to avoid a new bear market low. But we still need the 5 waves up. And even then, I mean, I explained it to you before that looking at the chart, it is entirely possible that after we form these 5 waves up, that this is only counting as a wave 2 corrective rally after the price formed the 5-wave move to the downside into the December 22 lows. And then this is literally just a flat structure, AB complete, C wave to the upside. Very similar structure to what ADA is doing. So that means there is still sort of that looming risk of new bear market lows. It is just there, okay? And I cannot predict to you if this is going to happen or not. I can literally just highlight it because I think you should know. And I see it, however, well, you know, for me, I would like to see the 5 waves up, and then we have a proper ABC structure. If we go down then and do not hold support for a wave 2 pullback, so obviously there is a bearish count in which we could see new bear market lows, but I will first want to see if a wave 2 pullback is holding like a higher low in a wave 2 correction. And if that's holding, then a third wave rally can unfold later. So I'm not going to say, okay, we're going to see new bear market lows. That would be foolish. No, it's all about, okay, let's see if we get 5 waves. If we get these, we can work with them. And then we can add a support area for a corrective pullback for a higher low. That would be the bullish structure. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. We will have very clear parameters to watch, and then a third wave rally should unfold afterwards, which is definitely the rally that I believe most people would want to be in. Now, we've seen across the market that in a bullish environment, these smaller degree third waves, even within diagonals, can extend a lot. So be aware of the next levels. We've got 4.43 cents and 4.95. They are definitely the next levels I would pay attention to, and then the upper boundary line of the trend channel. So looking good at the moment. Support is clearly defined. Be aware that this descending trend line could also act as structural support once we get a pullback. But even if we get a pullback, one more high is sort of still in the plan. And then we will get a major decision point. And once we get 5 waves up, I will also add a key support level to the chart. So as long as the trend is up, right? It's just that this pullback here, after having 5 waves up, will be a major decision point. And it's too early to say if we are going to see new bear market lows or not. I would like to say no, but nobody knows the future. If we continue in the bullish market, I'd rather say no, right? And VeChain is, it's one of the coins that hasn't really moved yet significantly. Well, it kind of has. It's sort of nearly, well, you see, it's made actually 200% since the June lows, but still, if you consider and compare that with some other coins, VeChain still is one of the coins that hasn't moved a lot. So that's my view about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.